Ready to charge like a pro? The ChargePoint HomeFlex EV Charger. Fast, smart, and everywhere you need it. Unleash lightning-fast charging power. Why settle for slow charging when you can have the ChargePoint HomeFlex EV Charger, which charges your electric vehicle up to 7 times faster than a standard 110-volt outlet? Whether you're at home or on the go, this beast delivers 30 miles of range per hour, ensuring you spend less time plugged in and more time on the road. With the flexibility of the J1772 connector, it's compatible with all non-Tesla electric vehicles, and with an adapter, even your Tesla can enjoy the power. Get ready to hit the road without the long waits. Your EV's charging needs just got a whole lot quicker. Smart charging for the modern world. ChargePoint HomeFlex isn't just powerful, it's smart. Control your charger with the ChargePoint Mobile App, which lets you schedule charging, monitor your progress, and access hundreds of thousands of charging stations across North America and Europe. Whether you're at home or abroad, you can always find a station near you. The app connects seamlessly to your smart home devices, creating a more efficient, integrated experience. It's the future of home charging, easy, intuitive, and designed to make your life simpler. Plus, it even integrates with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you're always in the know while driving. Safety meets durability in every charge. Don't worry about reliability with the ChargePoint HomeFlex EV Charger. UL certified for safety, it's built to last, with a cold-resistant cable designed to withstand extreme temperatures. The charger is perfect for both indoor and outdoor installations, so no matter where your charging needs are, you're covered. Customers rave about the high-quality build and durability, ensuring you'll get years of use without worrying about performance. It's not just a charger, it's a long-term investment in your EV's care and your peace of mind. Seamless installation, effortless usage. Installing the ChargePoint HomeFlex is a breeze for a licensed electrician, and the result is a charging setup that's as reliable as it is easy to use. With options for NEMA 6 to 50 and 14 to 50 outlets, it's flexible enough to suit most home setups, and you can choose the model that fits your existing electrical panel. No need for complex setups or hassle, just plug it in and start charging. The durable cable is built to last, and the sleek design blends into any garage or driveway, adding a touch of modern style to your home charging station. Save time, money, and stress. Why pay extra for public charging stations when you can have a super-fast, reliable charger at home? The ChargePoint HomeFlex helps you save time and money, allowing you to charge your vehicle at home whenever it's convenient for you. Skip the long lines and unexpected fees, instead, enjoy the flexibility of charging on your terms. Plus, with ChargePoint's vast network of charging stations, you can always find a spot wherever you travel. It's not just about convenience, it's about freedom, ensuring your EV is always ready to go when you are.